In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Coinbase password, recover Coinbase account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to regain access to your account safely using the official Coinbase app. First, open your Coinbase app. Make sure you're using the official app from the App Store and that it's up to date. Using the latest version reduces glitches during security steps. On the welcome screen, tap Sign In. This takes you to the standard login page. Don't worry if you can't remember your password. We're about to reset it securely. Enter the email address linked to your Coinbase account, then tap Continue. Double check for typos here. If you have multiple email addresses, use the one you originally registered with Coinbase. On the password page, tap Forgot Password. This is the safest Coinbase approved way to reset access, and it ensures your account stays protected. Next, tap Reset Password. Coinbase will send a secure reset link to the email you just entered. Leave the app open or switch to your email app. You can return to Coinbase afterward. Now check your email inbox for a message from Coinbase with a password reset link. If you don't see it, give it a minute, then check spam or junk folders. Be sure the message is legitimately from Coinbase and avoid clicking links from unofficial senders. The reset link may expire, so open it promptly. When the reset page loads, create a strong, unique password. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. Using a reputable password manager can help you store it safely. After you set your new password, follow the on-screen guide to finish up. Return to the Coinbase app, sign in with your email and new password, and complete any security prompts you normally use, such as a verification code. For your protection, you may be logged out of other devices, and some actions like withdrawals could be temporarily limited after a reset. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. That's it. To recap, open the Coinbase app, tap Sign In, enter your email, choose Forgot Password, select Reset Password, check your email to set a new one, and then follow the prompts to get back in. If the email never arrives, wait a few minutes, search your inbox for Reset Your Coinbase Password, and request a new link. For ongoing security, keep your device updated, store your new password securely, and enable two-step verification in your Coinbase settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped you recover your account, you're all set to sign in with confidence and continue using Coinbase securely.